So you're thinking about moving to Las Vegas, Nevada, and you want to buy a home, but you'd rather try to save a few dollars and purchase a home without using a real estate agent. Well, then I have a feeling you're gonna like this video. That's because we're gonna discuss the critical steps required to purchase a home on your own without a professional representing you. And towards the end of this video, I will share with you the most important step of all. So let's get started right now. Hi, my name is Mark Pepe, and I absolutely love helping people discover all things Las Vegas, including Las Vegas real estate. If this is the type of content that resonates with you, make sure you subscribe here below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Las Vegas, with so much evolving almost daily. We are passionate about removing the stress of relocating to a completely new city and state. If you're thinking about making that move, whether it be 9 days or 9 months, feel free to give us a call, text, or email. All that information is in the description below. You know, buying a house in Las Vegas without a real estate agent may seem like an attractive idea. The thought of saving on commissions and or feeling more in control of the process may be appealing to you. However, purchasing a home, particularly in a dynamic and fast-paced real estate market like Las Vegas, is not as simple as browsing listings and writing a check. In reality, the journey can be a complicated process filled with challenges that for many make it a daunting and overwhelming experience. However, you may find it doable. So to help you feel confident in your decision, here are a few steps required to buy a home without a real estate professional. Step number 1 is market research, which is a critical first hurdle. When you start without a real estate agent, the first major task is research. Las Vegas is an expansive, diverse city with numerous communities and growing, each offering distinct advantages and challenges. Summerlin, Southern Highlands, Sky Canyon, Sunstone, McDonald Highlands, and Inspirada all provide different vibes and amenities. And these are just a few of the more popular communities across town. Before even thinking about viewing homes, you need to thoroughly understand each neighborhood. Like, what is the average home price? What are the crime rates? What's the quality of the schools, parks, and local businesses like? You'll need to scour multiple sources to compile this information, as no single website provides a complete snapshot of the Las Vegas real estate landscape. If you don't live in Las Vegas already, it's going to be a bit of an uphill battle for you to fully comprehend the nuances of our local market. You can try to gather information online, but much of that content is out of date or either incomplete. You might spend hours reviewing websites only to find conflicting information. Meanwhile, the clock is ticking. Las Vegas real estate moves quickly. By the time you're done your research, the house you may want could be gone, or the market conditions have shifted, leaving you frustrated and disheartened. My recommendation is that you use this channel right here as a significant resource. It contains many videos on the Las Vegas market, covering communities, things to do, places to visit, school info, market data, and so much more. This will help make the market research a tad bit less overwhelming. Step number 2 is financing. Financing a home is one of the most critical steps, and it's often more complicated than buyers anticipate. In Las Vegas, home prices can vary significantly depending on location, property type, and amenities. The first question you have to answer is, how much home can I afford? If you're choosing to go at it alone, you'll need to secure a pre-approval for a mortgage. But here comes the tricky part, choosing the right lender. Without a real estate agent, you're on your own to evaluate various banks, credit unions, and online mortgage lenders. Do you go with a traditional 30-year fixed mortgage rate? Or could an adjustable rate mortgage be a better option for you? What are the hidden fees? How do interest rates differ across lenders? You're also going to need to be aware of the Las Vegas specific factors that might affect your loan. The city's unique economic landscape, boasting tourism, entertainment, and hospitality industries means that lenders may assess your financial situation differently than they would in other areas or cities. In other words, navigating this part of the home buying process alone is like trying to complete a puzzle with missing pieces. A misstep could mean that you could end up overpaying for your mortgage for years, or worse, failing to secure financing altogether. Step number 3 is scouring listings. Now comes the fun part, or at least what most people think. Browsing listings can quickly devolve into a time-consuming ordeal, and without access to the multiple listing service, otherwise known as the MLS, you're limited to what you can find on public websites like Zillow, Redfin, or Realtor.com, just to name a few. The one caveat to these sites is that they're often riddled with outdated information and inaccuracies. A house that looks perfect online may already be under contract, or worse, sold months ago. Or you might find a new listing that turns out to be a home in desperate need of repair, hidden beneath flattering photos and vague descriptions. I can tell you that happens time and time again with some photos that do not look accurately when you go see the home in person. These platforms do not always provide a real-time market update. Homes in desirable areas of Las Vegas can receive multiple offers within hours of being listed, and you run the risk of missing out on opportunities simply because you don't have access to these listings as quickly as other buyers. The hours you'll spend refreshing your browser, hoping the perfect property pops up, can feel endless and extremely frustrating. Step number 4 is viewing homes. Let's assume you finally found a home or a few that you'd like to see. Now you'll need to contact the seller directly or work with the seller's agent to schedule a showing. This step may sound simple, but coordinating with sellers and listing agents can be tricky without a middleman. Sellers and their agents may be less responsive to an unrepresented buyer because they'll assume you'll be a hassle to work with. Agents may also be prioritizing showings their homes to clients that have representation, leaving you out in the cold. Even if you do manage to schedule a few showings, you may face another hurdle. You don't have a trained eye of an experienced professional to help you assess each property. Potential that can get overlooked includes water damage, foundation problems, or issues with the home's electrical systems. When viewing homes on your own, you're at risk of missing critical red flags that could end up costing you thousands of dollars in repairs after the sale. Step number 5 is crafting the offer. Writing an offer on a home is more complex than many people realize, especially in a competitive market like here in Las Vegas. The offer needs to strike a delicate balance. If you offer too little, the seller may not even consider your bid or offer, especially if there are multiple offers. On the other hand, if you offer too much, you may overpay for the home and have trouble securing financing. Creating an offer that is competitive but fair is paramount. You'll need to navigate tricky decisions, such as how much to offer, what contingencies to include, and their length of the contingencies, along with how to structure the closing timeline. You're also going to want to make sure that you include an inspection contingency that protects your interests without scaring off the seller. Missteps at this stage can derail the entire process, potentially causing you to lose the home or waste a significant amount of time and money. Step number 6 is negotiating with the seller, which is a high-stakes game. Once your offer is submitted, the negotiation process begins. In Las Vegas, where bidding wars can be fierce, this can be one of the most stressful parts of buying a home. Negotiating on your own can feel like you're going into battle without a shield, as you have no buffer to protect your interests. The seller will be represented by an agent whose job is to get them the best deal possible, potentially putting you at a severe disadvantage during these negotiations. Furthermore, Las Vegas sellers, particularly in hot neighborhoods like Summerlin and many parts of Henderson, expect buyers to be savvy and prepared. If you lack experience, you might make concessions that are unnecessary or costing you more money in the long run. The stakes are high in the negotiation phase. Step number 7 is the paperwork. The sheer volume of paperwork involved in a real estate transaction is absolutely staggering, and it seems like it keeps getting more and more every year. In Nevada, as in other states, there are numerous legal documents to review and sign, including disclosures, contracts, and addendums. Each document must be carefully examined, as any oversight could result in legal issues down the line. This is one of the most dangerous aspects of buying a home on your own without legal expertise. You risk signing a contract that doesn't fully protect your interests. Even if you're diligent about reading every word of the paperwork, there's a chance you'll miss something crucial. Do you fully understand the terms of your loan agreement? What about the seller's disclosure form? Are you confident that you aren't finding any hidden problems with the home? The last thing you want is any legal battles or financial issues or losses down the road. For proper help in this phase, I highly recommend you hire a qualified real estate attorney who can provide you with qualified assistance. And step number 8 is the closing process, the final hurdle. Once the negotiations are complete and the paperwork is signed, you're still not done yet. The closing process can take weeks and involve coordinating with multiple parties, including the seller, the lender, and title company. Every moving part must be managed meticulously to ensure the deal closes on time. If there's a delay with the lender or any final inspection concerns or an issue with title, it will be important that you resolve it very quickly or risk the deal falling apart altogether. You definitely don't want that added stress. Well, this gives you a pretty good overview on how to buy a home in Las Vegas without using a real estate agent. Can this process be done on your own? It can, but at a cost. Ultimately, it is your decision. After considering all the steps and expertise required to purchase a home without a real estate agent, it becomes clear why most buyers opt for professional help. While you may save on agent commissions, the time, effort, and risk involved in navigating the process alone far outweigh any potential savings. Qualified real estate agents provide invaluable expertise at every step of the journey, from market research and negotiations to closing the deal. Without their guidance, the process can feel like an uphill battle, a daunting and overwhelming experience that can leave you exhausted and really frustrated. So if you need help on where to find this type of agent, I know exactly where to find him. Wink. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial. So please like and share it. Please also subscribe below and comment if you have any questions or found this video helpful. Also, be sure to check out our other areas and other videos on Las Vegas and the surrounding areas so you can continue to get a realistic sense of what it would feel like to live here in the Las Vegas Valley. So, whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or even schedule a Zoom appointment here in the description below. We can't wait to help you make a smooth and a stress-free move to Las Vegas. So, until next time, we hope to show you around town very, very soon.